In this video, I'm going to use the same problem that I used in the last video I made. And here it is again. Josie has 1.5 cups of water in her watering can. She fills the can before watering her plants. The can fills at a rate of a cup every 4 seconds. Identify the rate of change and the initial value. Write a function rule for the situation. All right, so I'm looking at the picture, right? I've got time in seconds here, and I've got water in cups. And it's not perfectly clear from this image, but we are going to say that this point is 1.5. It's between 0 and 2, and it's definitely closer to 2 than it is to 1. So I think we can assume that that is going to be 1. So, pardon me, 1.5. And so I'm going to look at that graph, and I can see the time going in seconds, and let's slide this up to take a look at the solution. All right, so here is the solution using the information from the graph. Notice that the rate of change here is 4/16, which simplifies to 1/4, right? We are here at 0, 1.5, and we are going up to this point here. This is the first point we can really see what's going on, and this is the point of 10 cups in 4 seconds. And we're going to rise up 4, and we're going to run out here 16. And when we say 16, we're counting over here, I believe, by 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And so there's our rise. We're rising up because we're going by 2s on the y-axis. 2, 4, and then we're going over by 2s here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. All right, so that confirms that my rise is 4/16, simplified to 1/4, and my initial value on this particular problem, it's not great because it's 1.5, and the intervals here are by 2s. It would certainly have been a lot easier if it had been by halves. But clearly, we got the same equation, which is y equals 1/4 x plus 1.5. All right, and that is what it takes to identify a function from a graph.